Welcome friends. In this video, I am going to tell about some built-in functions inside a Python. Among them, there is a init built-in function which helps the or work as a constructor inside a Python. So you have heard about name as a constructor. If Python is a beginner language, this is the new for you. If there is any other programming languages like C++, Java, if you already learn there, then constructor is the common name where each and every programming language is mostly used. Okay, if that language is support oops concept. Okay, so init is the one type of method, built-in method, and it helps at it assign initialize the properties of a class. Okay, and it is the simplest form and not really useful in real life applications, but mostly it's used for the initializing the properties of a class. So how the init is going to be work? Okay, it is a built-in function or classes. All the classes have a functions called init, which is always executed when the class is being initiated, means when the object is created. Okay, at the time init is going to be initiated. Okay, and the values assigning by this inside this function is called object properties operations that is necessary to do when the object is being created. Okay, so it's a direct to tell that in previous videos I am already initialized the properties of a particular class inside the method. Okay, here init is a built-in method only work for the initializing the properties of a class object. Okay, so very important how I am going to declare it and work on it. Let's see. So first of all, I have created a class, suppose employee. Okay, then here given as a employee name equal to this, then employee id equal to 0, then def init. Here see lots of built-in methods are present: equal, format, get attribute, hash, new, all that. Init self colon, then here self dot emp id equal to, here you have to assign in your way, otherwise passing from the object. Okay, I am passing from the object. First of all, you have to initialize it here. Self dot emp name equal to single quote quote. After that, you have to print it. Print self. Okay, here I am return this statement where this function is going to be called in future. Okay, plus self dot emp name. Fine. So here I creating the object e employee, and after the object e dot print, inside the print calling the e dot emp print. Okay, it print here. Okay, is the object, dot emp print is the method, and print here, not inside the function. It after calling that function, return this statement and print here on the 27 line. Here. Okay, so here object, and here has e is a instance. Okay, so here some errors are coming, means there is a plus operator, it should work as a addition, that's a comma, sorry. Okay, it print 34 324 and then empty, there is a space, then quantity. Okay, if you are not written this statement like in this way, you have to remove that space, empty space between this employee id and employee name. The focus point in this particular code is that here the focus how it is going to be work. Here first of all, I am generally initialize the all the properties employee id employee name inside the init method. If you want to passing these properties, okay, I am generally um, passing that. Okay, how it is going to be work, if I passing the data to this method, how it is going to be done. So inside this employee, you have to define that id and also define here quantity, and here also employee id. Okay, employee name. Okay, then emp name and here emp id. So in this way you can pass here your class properties method and print it. So that's a very simple formula. How could you generally passing this thing and how could you generally print it on it to the. Okay, so employee object passing 234 query to his built-in method in it directly. Okay, when the object is declared, but it's not a method, it's a constructor. This is a constructor. Built-in method or called as a constructor. It's a constructor. Okay, or method. One type of method is also called here. One type of method is also called here. But you have to remember this thing. Okay, while when you init is declaration, all the arguments are passing while the object is creating and it print on the next step. Okay, if you have any doubt, go through the comment box and type there, and please like and share this video, and don't forget to subscribe this video. Thank you.